Detective Conan is one of my favorite television series which used to run on Indian television when I was a kid. There have been many Detective Conan films. Detective Conan is a massive world famous franchise. Since the manga began in 1994, the franchise has spawned a long running anime series, a live action drama, a boatload of video games, and 23 movies. The 24th Detective Conan movie, Detective Conan The Scarlet Bullet, is hitting the cinemas in April, making this a perfect time to see which are the best Detective Conan movies to watch out of all the 23 films which are present right now. So without any further ado, let's start with our video about top 5 Detective Conan movies to watch. On the fifth number, the movie name is Detective Conan The Phantom of Baker Street. It was only a matter of time before Detective Conan crossed over with Sherlock Holmes. But The Phantom of Baker Street tackles the concept in a very unique way. Hiroki Sawada, a child prodigy, has built an AI called Noah's Ark. However, when he jumps off a building, everyone rules it as a suicide. 2 years later, Sklinders Inc. is showing off their virtual reality game system Cocoon. However, when the Conan and some kids test the game, Noah's Ark takes control and threatens to kill all the kids in the real world if they don't beat one of the games. Conan decides to play a Sherlock Holmes themed mystery where he must track down Jack the Ripper. It is so much fun seeing Conan in the traditional London setting, and while virtual reality setup is a bit silly, the film is an enjoyable romp. And it is also a rare chance to see Conan's father Yusaku Kudo do some solo detective work. This was the last Detective Conan film to be dubbed by Funimation Entertainment, so it actually received a dubbed DVD release in America also. On the fourth number, the movie name is Detective Conan The Raven Chaser. This is the 13th film in the franchise. The Raven Chaser sees Conan trying to solve a murder where a man's car's brake were cut, causing him to crash into a toll booth. However, man's mysterious last word and the mahjong tile found next to his body suggest that something deeper is at work. In fact, it seems like this murder is linked to several other across Tokyo. And to make matter worse, the evil black organization is tangled up in the case. The film was massively popular when it came out, getting nominated for Best Animation Film of the Japanese Academy Award. And it isn't hard to see why. The film has a fantastic plot full of mystery, action, and drama. It is also a great chance to see Conan's nemesis and black organization in action. On the third number, the movie name is Detective Conan Captured in Her Eyes. The fourth movie, Captured in Her Eyes, sees Conan and his friends become witness to murder when a police officer is gunned down by a man with an umbrella gun. The group has to hunt down a perpetrator. During this, Ran sees another murder to get a clear view of the killer, but she gets amnesia, leaving her both confused and target. This case is much more grounded than those that would come later in the franchise. The mystery is gripping and well throughout the movie, but it's Ran's amnesia that makes this movie so good. This movie's exploration of her relationship with Shinichi Kudo and how him turning into a Conan has affected them both is wonderfully done. On the second number, the movie name is Detective Conan The Last Wizard of the Century. 1999's The Last Wizard of the Century sees master thief Kaito Kid stealing a Faberge egg. However, as the police chase the Kaito Kid, someone shoots him in the right eye, causing him to fall to his death. While hunting for the killer, Conan ends up having to track down a second egg and gets involved into a strange historical mystery that stretches back hundreds of years, all while more murders happens. This movie is an exciting film that adds some fun adventure elements to the show's mystery formula. It is also packed full of twists and turns without becoming silly. Kaito Kid is a fan favorite character for a reason, and his uneasy dynamic with Conan is always a joy to watch. On the first number, the movie name is Detective Conan Countdown to Heaven. Countdown to Heaven was the fifth Detective Conan movie released in 2009. While Conan, Ai Haibara, and the Detective Boys Club tour the new Nishitamashi Twin Tower, things take turn for the worse when a council member called Iwamatsu Oki is found murdered with a broken sake cup near his body. On the top of this, both Gin and Vodka, two agents from the black organization, are seen in the tower. Are they involved in murder or are they involved in some other sinister plan? Countdown to Heaven has a fantastic mystery that will keep you guessing the whole time, especially as each suspect perfectly valid motives. The black organization also adds a fun twist to proceeding that makes things even more unpredictable and makes the drama even more intense. There is also an interesting subplot that looks at the complex web of feelings and relationship within the main cast, helping flesh out some of the lesser seen background characters. So these were the top 5 movies about Detective Conan and their mysteries and adventures. What are your thoughts about these top 5 Detective Conan movies? And also, if you have watched any of those 23 movies of Detective Conan, then let me know those names and your reviews about it, your opinions about it in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.